Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Zoho Inventory Management app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Zoho Inventory is a business management app designed to help companies efficiently handle stock, orders, and sales across multiple channels. It streamlines the process of inventory tracking, order fulfillment, and warehouse management, all from one intuitive platform. The app also integrates with major e-commerce and accounting tools like Shopify, Amazon, eBay, and Zoho Books, allowing seamless coordination between sales, shipping, and invoicing. It's available on both iOS and Android, making it accessible for business owners on the go. The app's main features include real-time inventory tracking, barcode scanning, and automated stock updates to prevent overselling. It also allows users to create purchase and sales orders, monitor shipments, and analyze performance through built-in reports. Its cloud sync ensures your data stays updated across devices, and automation features reduce manual workload. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users praise Zoho Inventory for its user-friendly interface, time-saving automation, and integrations that make managing multiple sales channels effortless. Businesses particularly value the app's real-time tracking and accuracy in order processing. However, some users mention limitations in the free plan, occasional syncing delays, and a learning curve when setting up advanced workflows or integrations. In summary, the Zoho Inventory app may be worth using if you're a small to mid-sized business looking for an organized, automated, and cloud-based inventory solution. However, if your business requires advanced customization or complex analytics, you might need to upgrade to its premium tiers. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.